Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be my finished pages for July. I've only got 20 pages this month, but that's because I've been getting back into my jigsaw, so it's not a bad thing. To me it's quite positive because my other hobbies were getting neglected. So I'm also going to show you my finished jigsaws for the month, which will only be a very quick thing at the end. But anyway, so let's get started. So first of all, I've got party patterns. I'd fallen behind with this, so I needed to catch up. So I had Summertime Party, and these are all in glitter gel pen. And then I used the cross stitch pattern in the background to save on ink. So that's that one. Lots of ice creams and fruit, so I like that one. Independence Day. I like the simplicity of this. So that's that one. And then I also did do the Father's Day one, and it was such a disaster that I have ripped it out. I hate it. So because I was doing it in glitter gel pen, I was using a limited palette, which, as you saw, was fine with the other pictures. But with this, because it's got people in, they just look terrible. They just look terrible. I really hate this page. And I got to over here, and I was like, come on, let's just finish it. And I was like, why? Why? So I've just ripped it up. So that is the end of that. So I am counting that as 3 pages completed in here. But yeah, I've only actually got 2 by the end of it. But that's fine, that's fine. Okay, next I've got Colouring Haven Collection Care Bears. I've done the front cover, and that is mostly in permanent markers like Bics and Sharpies. And I do also have some glitter gel pen on some key things like the stars and the unicorn and things like that. And then I've also done Funshine Bear, again permanent markers, and then glitter gel pen on the music notes. As you can see, I have done quite a few bits in here, so I have done quite a lot of colouring. And in fact, this one, I would say I'm halfway through. I'm going to colour her in, and then I may colour the background black, or I may leave it depending how it looks with her coloured in. So yeah, basically I've gone through and done all the same bear all the way through. So yeah, I've done loads in Care Bears. Summer Silhouettes. This is by Sun Life Drawing. Just done the one in here so far, but I reckon I'll probably do more over the summer months. Again, glitter gel pen. I was really enjoying my glitter gel pens. I would have done more, but I didn't. See, this page, I don't know, I didn't want to do, and then I just lost my flow. So that's Summer Silhouettes. Brand new book, Colour Quest Amazing Art by Lauren Farnsworth. So I did a flip through colouring chat of this one. So this is the Penrose Triangle Pattern by MC Escher. So I did this one on camera. I do like how it's come out, but when I picked this picture, I literally picked on how many colours there were in the palette, and I didn't realise it was going to be such an abstract art type thing. I don't know. I mean, what could it have been with such a limited palette? But there you go. Then I've got 50 Summertime Mandalas by Camilla Angelkova. So I finished this page. This has been a whip for ages, and as you can probably guess, it was the background that was the whip. So the sun is done in glitter gel pen, and then the background is acrylic paint. And obviously I'd done the bulk, and then it was all these twiddly bits that I hadn't got around to finishing. But now that I have, it does look really good. I'm pleased with that. I did this lighthouse one, glitter gel pen, fine liner for the black background, and I did this fruity one, and I really like that. I use my Chromatech glitter gel pens, so I was able to get different shades of green and things like that to make it look more realistic, is perhaps the word, I don't know. Okay, then I've got Disney Vitralis by Hachette Heroes, and I did this page. I did do it for Sonia's Mixed Media Disney Cartoon Challenge, and the challenge was sport, so I did this one. I used my Prismacolors and a bit of glitter gel pen, but I didn't submit it in time because I'm an idiot, so it didn't really get counted for anything, but that's why I did this page. So that's that one, and I am pleased with it. So that's that one. No room. Then I've got Disney Trompe-l'oeil, and I did this one again for Sonia's Mixed Media, and the prompt was dogs, and again I didn't finish it in time. I did this one in watercolour thinking, oh, it'll be dead easy to get everything covered dead quickly. No, don't do that. I'm going to recommend not doing that, because trying to get this amount of standard colour was really hard, so I'm not doing that ever again. But I did Pluto, and then it was just like a black fine liner that I used for the outlines. So that is that one. Okay. This is Creative Haven Mandala Decorations by John Wick. And I did this one in permanent markers. That's really nice. Millie Marotta's Animal Kingdom. I've got 2 whips in here, so this is one whip that I've got of this octopus. As you can see, that's like a long-term whip. I've also started working on these moths, so I've done this one. My completed page was a colouring chart, yeah, and I did this owl, all in glitter gel pen, and I think he came out really well. So that is that one. Okay, this is something like sea life under the microscope, or under the sea under the microscope. This is by Rita Berman, and I've done a few in here. Having gone from never coloured in it, which was bad, I've now coloured quite a few. So I did this one, which has got all the things on it. So it's got glitter gel pen, and it's got pearl drops and stickles on as well on the fish. Then I did this one, which is all watercolour. Oh, and white Posca pen. And then I did these little fishies, watercolour background, glitter gel pen for the actual fishies. And they look really nice. So I'm pleased with my work in that now. Another new book, Circalism, Birds of the World by Eclipse. And I did the first one here, which is the hyacinth macaw. I like it gives you some information here about the birds as well. And then last one, another new book. This is Tattoo by Colourquestopia. I got the black background version, and I did the first two. So this is a dream catcher with lots of feathers on it. And I also did this girl wearing a lion's head. So that's a bit grim. So that's those two. These have got nice, most of them, I've got pretty small palettes. So like that one, brown, black and green. So these are really good to just grab and have a go of. So that's all my finished pages for July. So I'm now going to put in my completed jigsaws for July as well, so that you don't think I've just sat around being lazy. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking with me if you're a long-term subscriber, and thank you for joining me if you're a new subscriber. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. That helps to support me and the channel. Okay, I will see you in the next one then. Bye!